Stop spending endless hours on tax data entry. Seriously, that part of your job is officially obsolete. This year, the only way to fail tax season is by doing manual data entry. Let me show you the AI tool that's eliminating it forever. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If the mere mention of tax season makes you picture mountains of paper, endless spreadsheets, and the soul-crushing task of typing in numbers, you're in the right place. For years, we've been told that data entry is just a necessary evil of our profession. We've accepted it, we've billed for it, and honestly, we've wasted an obscene amount of our valuable time on it. But today, I'm here to tell you that this era is over. The grunt work that has defined tax prep for decades is being completely automated by artificial intelligence, and it's happening right now. Think about it. What percentage of your firm's billable hours during the busy season is dedicated purely to transcribing data from a client's document into your tax software? For most firms, it's a staggering figure. We're talking hundreds, sometimes thousands of hours across the team. That's time you're not spending on high-level tax strategy, client advisory, or business development. It's time that's becoming increasingly hard to justify to clients, especially when they know technology is capable of more. This isn't just about saving a few minutes here and there. This is about fundamentally restructuring how we work, reclaiming our most valuable asset, our time, and delivering a better, more accurate service to our clients. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. We've heard this before. OCR technology has been around for ages, and it's clunky, inaccurate, and often creates more work than it saves. You are absolutely right. The old generation of optical character recognition, or OCR, was a huge letdown. It was a glorified scanner that would misread numbers, fail on handwritten notes, and choke on anything that wasn't a perfectly formatted document. You'd spend more time correcting its mistakes than if you had just typed it in yourself from the start. But what we're talking about today is not that old, dead technology. We're talking about true AI-powered data extraction. This is a completely different beast. Modern AI platforms don't just read text. They understand context. They can look at a messy, multi-page PDF a client sends you, full of bank statements, W-2s, 1099s, and random receipts, and know exactly what each document is. The AI can identify the taxpayer's name, the social security number, the income reported on a 1099 emis, and the property taxes paid on a closing statement. It can differentiate between a personal expense and a business expense based on the context of the document. Let's get specific and paint a picture of what this looks like in practice. Imagine a new client walks in, or more likely, emails you, a single 150-page PDF file titled Tax Docs. In the old days, your heart would sink. That's your next 2 days gone, just organizing and inputting. First, you'd have to manually split that PDF into individual documents. Then, one by one, you'd open each file, identify what it is, and type the relevant numbers into your tax software or a spreadsheet. It's a mind-numbing process ripe for human error. For a single misplaced decimal or a transposed digit could lead to a notice from the IRS, a client audit, and a major headache for your firm. Now, let's replay that same scenario with a modern AI tool. You receive that 150-page PDF. Instead of opening it, you simply drag and drop the entire file into the AI platform. You go grab a cup of coffee. By the time you get back to your desk, literally, in a matter of minutes, the AI has already done the heavy lifting. It has analyzed the entire document, separated it into individual records, W-2s, 1099s, K-1s, brokerage statements, you name it, and extracted all the key data points. It presents you with a clean, organized, digital work paper. The numbers are not just extracted, they're categorized and ready to be reviewed and imported directly into your tax software like Lacerte, ProConnect, or UltraTax. What used to take days now takes less than 5 minutes. That's not an exaggeration. That is the power we're talking about. This brings me to my next critical point, the shift from data entry clerk to strategic advisor. For too long, our profession has been devalued by the perception that we are just number crunchers. And let's be honest, when we spend half our time on manual data entry, it's hard to argue against that perception. By eliminating this low-value task, we are freeing ourselves up to do what we are actually trained to do: strategize. Instead of spending hours typing in numbers from a brokerage statement, you can now spend that time analyzing the client's investment portfolio, identifying opportunities for tax loss harvesting, or advising on future investment strategies to minimize their tax burden. This transformation is a massive win for your firm's bottom line. When you're no longer bogged down by tedious work, your capacity skyrockets. You can take on more clients without hiring more staff. More importantly, you can change your billing model. Instead of billing by the hour for low-skill work, you can move to a value-based pricing model. You're no longer selling your time, you're selling your expertise and the results you deliver. Clients are much happier to pay a premium for a strategic plan that saves them $10,000 in taxes than they are to pay for 10 hours of data entry. You become a trusted advisor, a partner in their financial success, and that kind of relationship is far more profitable and fulfilling. Let's break down the blueprint for creating a data entry-free tax season this year. Step 1 is mindset. You have to accept that the old way is broken and be willing to embrace change. This is often the biggest hurdle. Step 2 is research. There are several incredible AI tools on the market now specifically designed for tax professionals. I'm not going to endorse one specific brand in this video because the best fit depends on your firm, its specific needs, size, and existing software stack. But you should be looking for platforms that offer AI-powered extraction, not just old OCR. Look for direct integrations with your tax software, robust security protocols to protect client data, and a user-friendly interface that your whole team can adopt quickly. Step 3 is implementation and training. Don't wait until January to try this out. Start now, in the off-season. Run a few prior year returns through the system. Get your team comfortable with the new workflow. Yes, there will be a learning curve, but it's a molehill, not a mountain. You'll be amazed at how quickly your team adapts when they realize they're being freed from their least favorite task. The key is to standardize the process. All client documents, whether they come in via email, a portal, or a shoebox, should be scanned and run through the AI platform first. This becomes the single source of truth for all data, creating organized digital work papers for every client. Finally, step 4 is communication. You need to communicate this change to your clients. Frame it as a benefit to them, which it absolutely is. Explain that you've invested in cutting-edge technology to increase accuracy, improve efficiency, and allow you to spend more time providing high-value strategic advice. This positions you as a forward-thinking firm that's on top of its game. It justifies your fees and differentiates you from the competition still stuck in the dark ages of manual entry. You're not just faster, you're better. The future of accounting and tax preparation is here. It's not some far-off concept. It is a practical tool that you can implement today to completely change your business and your life. By moving away from manual data entry, you reduce your firm's liability from human error, you increase your capacity and profitability, and you finally get to focus on the intellectually stimulating work that drew you to this profession in the first place. You become the advisor, the strategist, and the indispensable partner your clients need. This year, make the decision to take back your tax season. Stop doing taxes the old way. Stop the data entry. Embrace the AI revolution. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this information valuable, please hit that like button and be sure to subscribe for more content on how to build a more efficient, profitable, and future-proof accounting practice. Let me know in the comments below if you've already started using AI for data extraction and what your experience has been. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.